Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Uniswap. Uniswap, found at uniswap.org, is a decentralized exchange protocol operating on the Ethereum blockchain. It distinguishes itself from traditional, centralized exchanges by facilitating peer-to-peer trading directly from digital wallets. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, offering users greater control over their assets and enhanced privacy. Trades are executed through automated market maker (AMM) algorithms, which determine the price of tokens based on supply and demand within liquidity pools. These liquidity pools are essentially reserves of paired tokens, such as ETH and a specific ERC20 token. Users who contribute to these pools are known as liquidity providers, and they earn fees proportionate to their contribution whenever a trade occurs using their provided liquidity. This incentivizes users to participate in the ecosystem and ensures sufficient liquidity for smooth trading operations. The protocol employs smart contracts to govern these transactions, guaranteeing transparency and immutability in the exchange process. Uniswap's user-friendly interface allows anyone with an Ethereum wallet to seamlessly swap tokens. Furthermore, it empowers developers to integrate the protocol into their own applications, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of decentralized finance (DeFi) projects. This interoperability contributes significantly to the expansion and accessibility of decentralized trading. The platform continually evolves, with versions like Uniswap v2 and v3 introducing improvements to trading efficiency and offering more sophisticated features for liquidity providers. The platform has become a cornerstone of the DeFi movement, demonstrating the potential of decentralized exchanges to reshape the financial landscape. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Uniswap provides a trustless and permissionless environment for exchanging digital assets, empowering users, and promoting financial inclusivity. However, as with any decentralized platform, it's important to conduct your own research and understand the associated risks before participating. Factors such as gas fees on the Ethereum network and the potential for impermanent loss for liquidity providers should be carefully considered.